Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the system. Turn off the main water and open a faucet to relieve pressure. Once done, make sure power to any inline heater is off. You now remove the handle and escutcheon plate using the correct screwdriver. Use a cloth to protect finishes. Next, undo the retaining nut or clip that secures the cartridge using an adjustable wrench or cartridge puller while keeping parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. With the cartridge out, inspect its body, seals, and the valve body inside the mixer housing. You want to identify mineral buildup, torn O-rings, or scoring that causes crossflow between hot and cold. Clean metal seats with vinegar and a soft brush. Replace any brittle O-rings with exact size parts. If the cartridge shows deep wear or persistent leaks, install a new OEM-style cartridge while aligning it to the marked orientation to preserve correct hot/cold flow. You reassemble by seating the cartridge, fitting O-rings with silicone grease if needed, and tightening its retaining nut or clip to torque by hand plus a quarter turn, then refit trim and handle. Once done, slowly restore water and watch for leaks at joints. Make sure hot and cold correspond correctly and that flow is steady. If temperature still swings or leaks persist, check the anti-scald limiter or re-examine seals. Often a worn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.